Learning how to count rhythms is one of the hardest things to understand when you're just getting started with music. This lesson will make it easy and help you to be much more accurate. Let's get started. Hey, I'm Andy Fling, the founder of MakingMusicFun.net. We create resources for elementary level teachers, parents, and students. If that's you and this lesson is helpful, please consider subscribing. Let's start this lesson with one of the longer notes, the whole note. The whole note gets 4 beats. When you're running a race, your heart beats faster. When you're sleeping, your heart beats slower. The beat of the music can go faster or slower too. No matter what speed the beat is, the whole note always gets 4 beats. I'll show you how to count the whole note and then we can try it together. Hold that whole note. Let's give it a try saying the 4-syllable phrase as you clap. Hold that whole note. One more time. Ready, go. Hold that whole note. The next note is the half note. A half note gets 2 beats, which is half the number of beats that the whole note gets. I'll clap the half note first and then you can try it. Half note. Let's try it together saying the 2-syllable phrase as you clap. Half note. One more time. Ready, go. Half note. The last note is the quarter note. A quarter note gets 1/4 of the whole note, which is 1 beat. I'll clap the quarter note first and then you can try it. Ta. Let's try it together saying ta as you clap. Ta. One more time. Ready, go. Ta. Great. Now let's try 3 examples that combine the rhythms that you've just learned. The first rhythm combines 4 quarter notes and a whole note. I'll clap the rhythms first and then you can try it. Ta, 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 ta. Hold that whole note. Clap the rhythms with me this time. Ta, 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 ta. Hold that whole note. One more time. Ready, go. Ta, 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 ta. Hold that whole note. Awesome. Here's rhythm combination number 2. Half note, ta, 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 ta. Clap the rhythms with me. Half note, ta, 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 ta. One more time. Ready, go. Half note, ta, 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 ta. You're doing great. Here's rhythm combination number 3. Half note, hold that whole note. Let's try it together. Ready, go. Half note, hold that whole note. One more time. Ready, go. Half note, hold that whole note. That's it for this lesson. If you want to quiz yourself, replay the video and see if you know the answers and can clap the rhythms before I do. See you next time.